this side come this way, the correct reason. Right reason.
Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we have discussed about this endocrine system of the human body. Endocrine system, that means hormonal coordination or chemical coordination in the human body, that we have discussed. We are discussing actually, that is. And yesterday I explained you about the pituitary gland, the hormones that are secreted by the pituitary gland, and what the effects will be there because of the hypersecretion and hyposecretion, that we have discussed yesterday. And today, two more endocrine glands I want to explain you that two more the endocrine glands are thyroid gland and the pancreas. They are the two endocrine glands that we are going to discuss today. Thyroid gland, it's a gland that is presented either side of the trachea below the larynx. See, suppose if you take that one, this is the larynx. This is the larynx. Larynx means voice box. This is the larynx. Larynx means voice box. Below the voice box, this is the trachea. This is the trachea, and below the larynx, either side of the trachea, on either side of the trachea, some cotton balls like those structures will be presented there. Cotton ball like structures are presented there. Cotton, like cotton it will be there. And this is called as thyroid gland. Once again, the location I am saying that thyroid gland is located on either side of the trachea below the larynx, and it is connected with a small muscular layer is called as isthmus. Small muscle like structure will be connecting both the thyroid glands, that is called as isthmus. Okay, and this thyroid gland secrete the hormone called, two hormones are secreted by this thyroid gland. One is thyroxine, another one is thyroxine, another one is calcitonin. But this calcitonin is not in our syllabus. Calcitonin is not in our syllabus. Only thyroxine is in our syllabus. That about the thyroxine we are going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, thyroxine, it's a hormone secreted by the thyroid gland, and this hormone is very important for maintenance of the metabolic activities of the body. Basal metabolic rate is maintained by, basal metabolic rate means basic metabolic, the activities of the body will be controlled and coordinated by only this thyroxine. Okay, and thyroxine is very important hormone in our body. It not only the metabolic rate, it also coordinates the temperature of the body, it also coordinates the fitness of the bones, and also coordinates that fitness means ossification of the bones, that means formation of the bones, calcification of the bones, converting the calcium materials into bones. The strength of the bones will be maintained by only this thyroxine. Okay, and The lower, that means the deficiency of the thyroxine is called hyposecretion, and oversecretion is called as hypersecretion. Both the conditions are very dangerous. Let us learn that hyposecretion of the thyroxine, hyposecretion, hyposecretion of the thyroxine. So, if the thyroxine hormone is secreted less than the required quantity, if the thyroxine is secreted less than the required quantity, that condition is called as hyposecretion. And in this hyposecretion of the thyroxine will be affected to the body in three conditions. One is simple goiter, second one is myxedema, third one is cretinism. These are the three conditions will be occur in the human body when the thyroxine is secreted less than the required quantity. That means deficiency of the thyroxine or the hyposecretion of the thyroxine, the human beings affected by three diseases: simple goiter, cretinism and myxedema. Okay, especially the children will be affected about the cretinism disease, and adult people will be affecting the simple goiter and the myxedema disease. Okay, first of all, the simple goiter. See, when the thyroxine is correctly secreted, the required amount is secreted, the person's metabolic rate will be normal. But because of the taking of food, insufficient food, or taking less salt in the food, or taking the food which is less quantity of the iodine, causes the deficiency of thyroxine. So that creates the disease called as simple goiter. It's a goiter, means the swelling of neck. The neck will be swollen, and that will not be recovered at all. Okay, the neck will be swollen like this, and appears like a bundle of cells will be presented here. Okay, that is called a swollen neck or simple goiter. This can be rectified in the early stages. This can be rectified in the early stages when the people are taking the iodized salt in the food. Usually the iodine is presented in the soil itself where we are living. But the people who are living in the hilly places or away from the seashore, these people will not get the iodine from the soil and in their food. So that's why those people who are living in the hilly places away from the seashore or oceanic shore, they should take the compulsory, they should take the iodized salt. Iodized salt means the salt which is treated with iodine, that is iodized salt. So that iodized salt should be taken into the food, and then the people will get the iodine also along with the salt. So the simple goiter can be recovered, and the people who are living nearby the seashore, they need not be taken these iodized salt, because they are getting the iodine along with their food directly. Okay, so there will be a question for you. The people who are living in the hilly places are often affected by the simple goiter. Give reason. This is the question will be in the examination. Give reasons question. 1 mark question will be there. So you have to write the people who are living in the hilly places never get the iodine in their diet, because they are living away from the seashores. So those people will be affected by the simple goiter. If they take iodine contained salt, that means iodized salt in their diet, they never be affected. This is the answer you have to write. Next one is cretinism. This is for the children. It is also hyposecretion of the thyroxine, and this will be affected the growth of the child. In the growth period, if the thyroxine is secreted less than the required quantity in the growth period of the children, their growth will be reduced and the people become dwarf, short. That is called dwarfism. Yesterday we discussed that. Okay, and also the type of people are mentally retarded, means mentally they are not developed. The growth, physical growth is not there, even the mental growth also will not be there because of the less amount of the thyroxine in the body at the time of growth period in the children. This condition is called as cretinism. And some people, in the adult people, this hyposecretion of the thyroxine causes the disease called as myxedema. In this, the people face will be bulged like a moon shaped, fluffy in nature, sluggish also we can say that, and their metabolic rate will be reduced, heartbeat increases, breathing capacity will be decreases, blood pressure will be increases. These are all the conditions of the myxedema in adult people because of the hyposecretion of the thyroxine. And hypersecretion of the thyroxine, hypersecretion if the thyroxine hormone is secreted more than the required quantity, it is because of some regions of the body. It will be secreted more than the required quantity, and this will be occur only in the adult people, and yet that condition is called as hypersecretion. In this condition, a kind of disease will be affected, that is exophthalmic. Exophthalmic goiter. Exo means outside, ophthalmic means eyes. The eyes are protruded. The eyes are protruded. Protrude means comes out. When they open the eyes wider like this, the eyeball will be protruded outside like this in this way, and their face will be moon shaped, sluggish, and the body also be like a balloon, like structure it will be formed. Means filled with a lot of water as well as the air. This condition is also very dangerous condition, and this is because of the hypersecretion of the thyroxine. Okay, and let us move to the learning about the pancreas, the third endocrine gland, that is pancreas. In the 9th standard, you have learnt about the digestive system of the human body. This is the stomach, and this is the duodenum. From the duodenum, there is a leaf-like structure will be grown, and this is called as pancreas. This is pancreas. Here, one pancreas is entirely different. If you take the thyroxine or the pituitary, these are completely endocrine glands, homocrine glands. These are only for endocrine. They will be producing only hormones. Whereas the pancreas is a heterocrine gland. Heterocrine gland means It is the combination of exocrine. It is the combination of exocrine as well as endocrine. It means some part of the pancreas. It means that some part of the pancreas act as a exocrine gland. Some part of the pancreas act as a endocrine gland. Okay. See, let us see here. This is the total pancreas. The part of the pancreas which is having a long tube-like structure, this is called as the pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct. So, the pancreatic juice which is helping the digestion of the food, that will be secreted into the pancreatic duct and it is enter into the duodenum and it is participating in the digestion of the food. And one more part of the pancreas, you can see that below this exocrine pancreas. This is the exocrine pancreas. Exocrine. There are ducts for this. And this is the endocrine pancreas. Endocrine. The pancreas with no ducts. Pancreas with no ducts like this. But these are the specialized cells are presented here. These are the specialized cells are presented. These cells are called as islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. These are the specialized cells. Islets of Langerhans. These secrete the hormones which are chemically coordinating the functioning of the human body. Okay, let us learn about the endocrine nature of the pancreas. Endocrine nature of the pancreas we are going to discuss. So, as the pancreas is having both the structures, exocrine as well as the endocrine, so it is called heterocrine gland or mixed gland, or also called as mixed gland. Mixed gland. Okay, let us learn the endocrine pancreas. Okay, endocrine pancreas. Endocrine pancreas is having the cells called as islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. And these islets of Langerhans are secreting, having the three kinds of cells. These islets of Langerhans are having the three kinds of cells. That is beta cells, alpha cells, beta cells, alpha cells, and delta cells. Beta cells secretes the insulin hormone. Insulin hormone is secreted by beta cells, and alpha cells secrete the glucagon, and delta cells secrete the somatotropin. Sorry. Yes, somatotropin. But the somatotropin is not in our syllabus. Is not in our syllabus. Only this insulin and glucagon we are going to discuss. Alpha cells secrete the glucagon and beta cells secrete this insulin. And these two are for maintenance the sugar level in the blood. Maintenance the sugar level in the blood. Okay, let us see. Here, hyposecretion. As well as the hypersecretion. So these, before learning this one, this insulin and glucagon are the hormones act opposite to one to another, simultaneously. One is decreasing the sugar level, another one will be increasing the sugar level. Suppose one is increasing the sugar level, another one will be decreasing the sugar level. So this way, opposite direction, oppositely these will be working. That we can say that as a simultaneously these are working together. Okay. So first of all, insulin. When the insulin secretion is very much less, that is the hyposecretion of the insulin causes increasing of the sugar level, that is diabetes mellitus. This is called as diabetes mellitus will be affected. Simply we can say diabetes disease. When the insulin levels are less in the body, the hyposecretion of the insulin causes the diabetes mellitus, and it is also said to be as hyperglycemia. In this condition, the glucagon convert the glucose into glycogen and stored in the liver cells. Okay, hyperglycemia. If the hypersecretion of the insulin condition is more, the amount of the insulin is more, it causes a disease called as hypoglycemia. Sugar level will be decreased. Hypoglycemia. Sugar level will be decreased so that the glucagon convert the glycogen into glucose molecules. Okay, glucagon convert the glycogen into glucose molecule at the condition of hypoglycemia when the insulin is more in the body. Okay, so this is why when the insulin amount is more, the glucagon will be converting the glycogen into glucose molecules. If the insulin amount is less in the body, the glucagon will convert the glucose into glycogen, because lots of amount of glucose will be formed, will be stored in the blood. So hyposecretion of the insulin is called as hyperglycemia. That is also said to be as diabetes mellitus. Sugar amount will be more in the blood, and the person loses the lots of water from the body, including the sugar. Okay, that is urine, in the form of urine, and you will be feeling a lot of thirsty. He often drinks the more water. He should not eat the sugar content materials when the person is affected by diabetic mellitus. If the person is affected by hypoglycemia, this is condition where sugar level is less. In this condition also the person will go to coma. It is affected to the brain. The consciousness of the brain will be stopped, and the person will go to unconsciousness, coma. That is also said to be as insulin shock. So in such conditions, the person, when he found that the sugar level is decreased, the person should eat the more chocolates, sugar content materials. Much should be taken when the hypoglycemia is affected. In such conditions, the glucagon hormone will convert the glycogen into glucose and send to the blood. So the blood sugar level will be maintained properly. Okay, this is the way that pancreas and thyroid glands are maintaining the metabolic activities of the body. And tomorrow we will discuss about the another two kinds of this endocrine glands. Okay, I hope you understood. You follow the video and see 2 to 3 times the video, observe the every particular thing in that video, understand the topics, because this topic is very, very important topic. Okay, thank you very much.